Hello guys again and welcome back to another unboxing, viewing and testing, and today we've got this Medisana upper arm blood pressure monitor, the model BU510. Blood pressure classification measurements classified using a traffic light scale. 3 years warranty. Let's see some other specs. Accurate blood pressure measurement on the upper arm. Arm circumference is 22 to 36 centimeters. Very large digits for easy reading up to 22 millimeters in high. Display items systolic, diastolic, pulse, day and time. Irregular heartbeat display. 90 memory slots for each of 2 users. Calculates average value of all stored data. Well, nice a lot. Let's open to see what we have inside and how we can use it. Oh, nice bag. I like it. You can carry on wherever you want with you. We've got 4 batteries, 2, 8, 1.5 volts. Of course, inside we're gonna find out the manual. If you want to read it, is your choice, but stay with me, we're gonna find out all about this product. And there it is. Now here we can see we've got the cuff with the air tube. Air tube, you can connect it here, very easy, press and connect. At the unit, we've got the memory button, start stop button, setup button, and a large display. And here you can connect the DC 6 volt if you don't want to use the batteries. Now let's install the batteries. At the back, here we can see and the speaker, 4 2A batteries, 1.5 volts. And we can see it's flashing. We need to set up the month, pressing the memory, set, day now, you can choose, press and hold, it will go faster, set, the time, set, the minutes, and that was the setup of the month, day and the hour, minutes. Now we need to connect this tube here, press, and then take this, go inside here, and you need to insert it to your left hand near your heart. Pull that needs to be in this position in the middle. Okay, now we are okay. And then just start. And it will start pumping air, filling up with air this at my hand. You need to be calm. You can see the heart icon is flashing. And there is the results. You can press the memory button. It will store it to memory. And as you're pressing again, you can see this is in position 2. And of course you can start measure again, start stop button, and it will start automatically. And again memory. And you can see we've got 2, 1, 3 different values. Nice. Very easy to use. And we can see at the display, we've got the systolic pressure, the diastolic pressure, and the pulse rate. And of course here it is the memory choose from which measurement you have stored it. Here you can see the user memory. You can choose for 2 persons. And here we can see the blood pressure indicator from green, yellow, orange to red. Me, I am at green. That is okay. And when you turn it on, you can see the charged battery symbol, the arrhythmia display, arrhythmia cordis, display of the daytime, of course. Well guys, that was all about. It is very easy to use. It is portable. You can use it with batteries or with a DC power. It is your choice how you want to use it. I think it's doing a great job. It costs about 20 euros. It is a value of money. The price is very good. I can say the measurements are very accurate. You can buy it for your grandmother, grandfather, for a person that needs this device. And all the time they can measure the diastolic, the systolic, and the pulse rate. Well guys, that was all about. Thank you again for watching. Please subscribe to my YouTube channel. It takes only 1 second. Press the subscribe button. That was all. Share this video. You never know whom you need it. Hit the notification bell because more videos in the future are coming and you don't want to miss it. Have a nice or lovely day. Bye bye.